Alright, so we're going to take a ride in this cool Bel Air. You look around inside, it's just really clean. It's got the original door panels. It's just really cool. I think it's the original headline. Yep, it's the original headliner too. Anyway, let's fire it up. This is a really great driving car. So it's got the, it's got the V8 in it and an automatic. And I mean, the wipers work nice and quick. The lights work. The horn, the blinkers work. The shutoff switch on the blinkers work. The heater fan turns on. The radio does not turn on. Then it's got these cool gauges installed so you can keep an eye on things. You can see the oil pressure is great. Amps, charges fine. Very easy to start even after sitting. I was just gone down in Palm Springs for a few days. This car hadn't been started in 5-6 days. It was like a couple pumps, bam, started right up. The steering's really tight on it, nice. The suspension, plenty of power. It's just really nice to drive, and it's kind of cool because you can throw the whole family in it or some friends and have a good old time. Shifting's right on spot. And drive straight. My hands are off the wheel. So, just a really good cruising car. We're trying to go 40, but we got Mr. Safety First up here. Mr. Speed Limit. That should be me. I don't want to get another ticket. But anyway, it's just nice. It's not rattly. It doesn't clunk. It just cruises along really smoothly. It's kind of like a cool family car. A car you can put a bunch of people in and just go have a blast. And it definitely gets thumbs up. I just drove it from my warehouse through our downtown plaza area, and it was just kind of one thumb after the next. You can see the blinker working there. We're going to go over here. It's a little late in the day. I'm going to try and get some sunshiny shots for you. The shadows aren't too long. It's got power brakes. Anyway, there it is. Be sure to check out the whole description. Thanks for visiting Left Coast Classics. All right, so this is, we're going to go under the belly of the 56 Bel Air. It's, just a very original car, and it's in really, really nice undercarriage. So check it out. There's a lot of still photos here you can check out too on my website at leftcoastclassics.com, especially in the slideshow area. But you can see how nice the undercarriage is on this car. Really well preserved. It's very nice. You can see behind the rockers is just in really good shape. Just so unusual on these. So this car is really, really a survivor. You can see up behind into the quarter panels are in nice shape. Go around to this side, show you that. Just really nice car, great foundation underneath it. Give you a little, take you on a magnetic tour of the car so you can kind of see how all the panels are. Just grabs the magnet without issue. Had some touch up there. I mean, a lot of minimal or no filler going on here, so really great car. So rest assured, you're not buying a Bondo bucket.